After the bride, definitely the bride can't marry by herself, so there has to be a groom. And so the groom also has a lot of jitters, and I know a lot of grooms who just before the wedding want to call it off because they feel so nervous about this wedding, because they also get nerves and they also want to feel good. Now the oils that I recommend for them to feel good and to give them that thing is lavender is very important oil. Another important oil is sandalwood. For them again they have to be grounded. Now they can use cedarwood and vanilla. So these are the oils that are important for them, as well as patchouli, again, which helps them a great deal in calming them down. And also we use these oils nowadays. The groom also has to get ready for the wedding, so we also go through a treatment for them. For their face, we look after their face, and for the face of the groom we add vanilla and patchouli, and of course give them a massage. Their body massage is with vanilla, patchouli. We add a touch of orange to that because that again peps them up and makes them feel good. And we also give them a scrub, so they have the same thing. They have a massage, they have a scrub, and for the scrub again we will use the same oils, patchouli or vanilla, and we will use for the feet, we'll use a grounding oil. Sandalwood is more for the head massage, and for the feet we are going to use cedarwood because that is going to help to ground them, and also it is going to give them that confidence. Now they all need the confidence, so this is a confidence booster that they can get and feel good. So these are for the groom.